Well, come back to Learn English Easy Way. Today we will learn present continuous tense and how present continuous tense is used in sentences. So let's get started. The present continuous tense, also known as the present progressive tense, is used in English to describe actions or situations that are happening at the moment of speaking, or around the current period of time. It can also be used to indicate planned future events, especially those that are fixed or decided. The tense is formed by combining the present tense of the auxiliary verb to be, am, is, are, with the present participle verb ending in ing of the main verb. The general structure is subject plus am, is, are, plus verb ing. Let's see some examples. They are flying to Paris next week. Even though this action isn't happening right this moment, we use the present continuous tense to talk about future plans. She is jogging in the park. Notice how we use is jogging to describe an action happening right now. The city is preparing for the festival. This sentence uses the present continuous tense to describe a temporary situation. Let's dive deeper into the structure with a bit of practice. Remember, it's subject plus am, is, are plus verb ing. I'll show you how to form sentences with different subjects. I am studying English online. You are learning quickly. He is reading a book. We are having a meeting. They are playing soccer. Notice the verb changes based on the subject. Am for I, is for he, she, it, and are for you, we, they. And don't forget to add ing to the main verb. Understanding and using the present continuous tense is essential for clear and effective communication in English. I hope this video examples have illuminated the tense's structure and uses.